Hello everyone, this is Dan from Banggood, and I have been challenged to actually fly the Eachine US65 using the Eachine ev300o FPV goggles. I'm gonna give it a try. Now I haven't flown in ages already, so this is probably gonna be a little bit messy, but let's go ahead and give it a try, and perhaps, this could actually be a nice tiny FPV racer for beginners. We are about to find out. If I can fly it, probably most of you can fly it, alright? So let's go ahead and give it a try, shall we? Okay guys, I just finished flying this little beast. It's super fast, and actually I won the challenge because I actually managed to fly it for about 5 minutes or so. Of course, I did a little bit of a cheating. I was flying it in stabilized mode, so perhaps, I don't know if that counts, but I'm not telling anybody about that. I managed and it went well. It's great, I think, for people that have a little bit of experience flying and want to start sort of experimenting with FPV. I think that, or FPV racing or something like that. I think it's a great sort of beginner's drone. I crashed a few times and the drone pretty much survived, and it's intact, as you can see, not any scratches or anything like that. Maybe the battery is a little bit, but other than that, fine. So again, super recommended for those of you that perhaps are making a transition from larger or slower drones to maybe FPV. That would be a great sort of semi-beginner drone, all right? So make sure you go ahead and take a look at it, and of course subscribe to the channel, right? So see you in the next one.